I'm here in Oludeniz, Turkey, at the top of the main strip. Now I'm going to take you on a little walking tour from the top right down to the bottom on the beach. We're going to talk to a few business owners, a few people that I know since I've been coming here since a young boy. So come with me, let's go. So one of the most famous things in Turkey is, of course, getting your ice cream. So we've got the main man. What's your name, brother?
Aaron.
Aaron. Okay, and tell us why should people come to Ölüdeniz?
Yeah, very nice, very good Ölüdeniz. Best.
And have you got the best ice cream in Ölüdeniz?
Yeah, Turkish ice cream. My father, you 20 years you're making. Look.
Come on, let's have a look.
Ice cream. Vanilla, pistachio, chocolate.
Look at this. So you can get like all the different flavors under the sun, and it tastes amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah, very nice, very good.
Very good. Okay, so that's the first thing you can do. See you later, my man. Take care. So you can go get yourself an ice cream. They are amazing. Have all the flavors under the sun. One thing I'll say is if you're going to go and do that is make sure you just ask the price beforehand. That's the only thing I ever say. Ask the price and you'll never be disappointed. So let's go and have a look at the strip. So you've got all different types services. You can go paragliding, jeep safari, you can get your hats. You've got a supermarket. I go to that supermarket, get my bottles of water, get crisps. They don't do Pringles anymore in Turkey, which is an annoying thing though. But they got a new one called Potato Master. It's actually really nice. But yeah, I've been coming to Oludeniz myself since I was about 13 years old. And I come at the minute twice a year in May and September. And yeah, we've got the boys here. Hey, come on. There we go. You want to get your stuff? You can go to Debenhams. We've got Genuine Fakes, the Genuine Fake Factory. It's a place that I've been to before, authentic. You can get all your trainers in there. I personally, when I go, I always get stuff on the last day. I don't know why, kind of like before you're going home, it's just like it's an excuse to do something, do you know what I mean? But yeah, there's some amazing restaurants on this strip. You know, it's just got everything that you need on one strip really. And hopefully, we're going to go and talk to some people. I've made a lot of friends over the years because I've been coming here twice a year. I've made a lot of friends from, you know, people that have been trimming my beard to the bars, like people at like VIP, yeah, even the paragliding. Hopefully we might be able to talk to one of my good friends here in a minute at Tigerson. He is talking to a customer, but maybe we can grab his attention in a minute. This is Tigerson. We've got the main man, Demir, here. He's talking to someone at the minute. He's talking, yeah, I have flown with him. We're just doing a little documentary. Maybe I'll come and chat to him in a minute. But yeah, I actually went flying paragliding last September with this guy here. Yeah, you should do it. You should do it if you can get the chance. Demir, come. We've got to talk to you, my brother. We're doing a video for YouTube.
Hey, guys.
So this is the main man. This is the Tiger. So listen, you got to tell people why should they come to Oludeniz.
Because this is one of the best places that you can have a party and drink and have fun and eat. And of course, if you want to be flying in the best place in the air and high in the world, paragliding. Fly with this guy in the sky.
We did it, and we went flying high in the sky, and we even sang in the sky. We even sang one of my songs. He brought a speaker out, and you know what? The people always ask me, because I've been coming here since I was 13, like, you know, is it scary? Is it terrifying? Not really. When you're up there, it's really peaceful, isn't it? It's very peaceful.
We are not crazy guys that we drink and just use something to go and fly. But this is one sport, but that will make your life change. I can guarantee you that the way that you're gonna feel really free, you will enjoy it and go fly between the clouds and just touch them. That will make sense in your life. I promise you.
He's right. He's right. So yeah. So if you do want to go, this is one person I can recommend highly. You're in good hands. This is it.
The best
Tigerson.
in TripAdvisor in 4 countries.
The best.
Brazil, Sweden, Norway, and Denmark.
Look at that. He's a natural on the camera as well, isn't he?
Yeah.
But yeah, I can recommend him. Yeah, maybe we'll go flying again. I'm here for a little bit, so maybe we'll go flying again.
Single, yes. Single, don't worry.
He's single. My brother, mate, we'll see you soon.
See you,
Respect
bye-bye.
my brother.
Bye, brother. Thank
We'll see you soon, man. But yeah, there you go. Like I say, I'm just going to readjust this camera. There we go. So yeah, he is a legend. Every time I've come here, he's like, come on, we got to go flying. And eventually I gave in. But yeah, so VIP, this is one of the main places you can go at night. So we had to speak to the main man here. The main man. Brother, introduce everybody, let them know who you are.
Brother, well, I don't want to say anything.
He's shy now. Nah, I'm sure a lot of people know who this is. But yeah, this is the main. They've got the main guys here in VIP. Why should people come to VIP?
But I'm English not good.
It's English. Guys, we practiced this for ages. Okay, well, you should come to VIP because it's a lot of fun. There's very. What was that?
Very nice VIP.
See, he's English. Your English is good. It's good, man. It's good. But yeah, VIP, man, it's a great place to be. Yeah, they do all sorts of things. They've got the glamour girls as well. We're actually going to go and see them tonight. But yeah, so VIP, this is a place to come. It's open till I think 6 in the morning, and it's obviously it's a crazy place. We've got a booty hairdresser. So this is the place where if you want to come and get your hair done, get your beard trimmed up, ladies, you want to get a curly blow dry, we'll come in and say like, hey, how are you? Because this is where you come in. These are the boys. Hey, listen. You good, my brother? This is a legend. You want a good beard trim? You want to get your hair cut? You want a facial steam? It's good massager as well. Everything. And ladies, if you want your curly blow dries done, this is the man. Tell people why the people should come to Ölüdeniz. Why should they be coming to Ölüdeniz?
Happy shop, you know.
Happy shop.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good job, amazing job.
And you're gonna make people look amazing, yeah?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Booty is the place to come for that. Guys, thank you so much. We're showing everybody why you should come here. So yeah, again, you've got plenty of restaurants, antique place. Let me know in the comments, guys, where you've been in Oludeniz and where you like to go and why you like to come to Oludeniz. We've got obviously the famous Captain Jack Sparrow. He's here. We're doing a little video on Oludeniz, telling people like why they maybe should come here.
Hi guys.
This is a legend. You probably recognise him. Tell people why should people come to Oludeniz?
Because I have a ship, yeah, my ship in here.
Because his ship, yeah. Do you take people out on special boat trips, yeah?
Boat trips, yeah.
He's a legend. Again, you can come to Hideaway and you can get your nails done, you can get microblading. We've got all sorts of stuff here. So yeah, another great place for you to go. So we're coming probably halfway down the strip. And again, you've got all your shops here. You can get your necklaces, you can get your soaps, you can get your jewelry, everything. You can even exchange some money here. The rate is not too bad at the minute. What are we on? Oh, you can't really see it. Well, it's on 44. So it's not too bad. As you can see, obviously, everybody is really, really nice here. Yeah, they're just like super friendly people. And like genuinely super friendly. This is a really cool restaurant. It's a massive restaurant actually, and they do all pizzas, paella. Apparently, they've got the most delicious fish and chips. I can't vouch for that just because I've not tried it yet. But maybe you can try it, or maybe you have tried it. And let me know what you think. Again, we've got mimosa here. We've got mimosa, which I've actually personally been. I've been to Mimosa before. I remember there was a guy in here who's doing the cooking up the steaks in front of you and all that. He's moved on. I called him Turk Bay instead of Salt Bay. Cherry Pub. So when I go to Ölüdeniz, normally what I do, we normally get in at like late at night. So what we do is we normally go to Cherry Pub like 1 in the morning. We get here and we get ourselves a chicken wrap and chips. And have that before we go to bed. But again, you've got all the football. I have all the football here. And yeah, literally, again, more parasailing, paragliding. I always get confused, actually. Always get confused whether it's paragliding. Parasailing's when you're on the back of a boat, that's it. But yeah, again, you get all your designer bags. You can get all your stuff. You got Sports Active. Do you know what? I'm not going to lie. Sports Active is actually a better name than Sports Direct. Maybe they should take that name. But yeah, like I say, I've been coming here since I was 13, and you know, I love this place. At the minute, you know, obviously a lot of people are saying that it's gone up in price and all of that, but you know, you have to remember, like, the government have raised their prices on a lot of stuff, especially like the alcohol tax and stuff. So that's why, and it's understandable. It's like when in the UK or wherever you're from, you know, prices go up, things happen, you know. But it's still a great place to come. You're still in a little bit of paradise, and especially where, like, the time that I'm here at the minute, it's raining badly at home. So you know, for the price you pay to come here, it's so worth it. Honestly, you got the famous Asda as well. You got the Asda supermarket. Again, you got to go down a little escalators to that. But again, you can literally get, you know, again, you can get the ice creams in there. You can get like a Twister for like 22p, a Cornetto for 80p. Like, it's so much value. Like, if you don't want to get the scoops every day, because they are so tasty, but of course they cost a little bit more. So, you know, especially if you're going to get it for the kids and all of that, you know, the bank might go down quicker. Again, you got some more guys here. You got Pioneer Travel. These guys, these will sort you out paragliding. They'll sort you out the boat trips. It's good prices, yeah. Good price. So they're saying they're the best ones in the town, yeah. Is it buy two get one free? Yeah. Tell people why people should come to Ölüdeniz. Why do you think they should come to? He's the boss. He's the boss. Yeah, boss. Why in one word? Why should people come to Ölüdeniz? Maybe
because this is the best place in the world. Paradise.
Paradise. He's right. I was just saying that as well. So yeah, again, you can come here, guys. If you want to see the paradise, if you want to see paradise, you got to come here. He's right. He's right. Cheers, guys. So yeah, Sultan's is another place. I know it's popular. Saffron. You got another guys here. Dragon paragliding. Honestly, there's so much to choose from. You'll never be sport for choice. You know, if you come in here for a week, even if you come in here for 2 weeks, you know, you've got plenty of choice. Again, another restaurant here, and they do the chicken shish kebab, 470 lira. That's around about, it's just under £10 actually. So it's not bad. Like I say, you know, you're paying for good food. It's quality food when you come here. You know, it's really good. We've been to the top of the strip. Now we're at the bottom of the beach, and we've got one of the famous ice cream people here. Yeah, he's got all the flavours. Is he going to do a little trick? Yes. Oh, what's he doing here? Yeah. So this is what you get. So you get sport for choice here when you come, and again, everybody, happy people, right? For me. Oh, see, look at this. You won't always get this. You don't get this.
Open up. Hard, yes, very nice.
That's lovely. Very good. Teşekkürler. Thank you. Thank you very much. I didn't do that for the free ice cream, I promise. Yeah, you got to come here, guys, as well. Awesome. Malaysia, everybody is just so friendly. And this is one of my favourite places to come for lunch. You got Tiki Bar. You can literally overlook all the paragliders as they come and they land on the beach here. And yeah, I'll be honest with you, this is the first time I've ever done a video like this. Now my microphone looks like an ice cream. But I've never done a video like this. But you know, I love travelling. I always go away. I'm very grateful to be able to go away as much as I can. And yeah, I'm just checking the mic. Yeah, I've got to check these things because I don't do this much. It's a schoolboy error. I might be muting myself right now. But yeah, as you can see, the sun is absolutely beaming here. and yeah, it's just an amazing place. So if you have watched to the end here, let me know what your experiences are of Oludeniz. Let me know how long you've been coming for. Have you been coming since a child like myself? And the places you like to go and you like to see. And yeah, how, if you've been this year, what your experience has been like. It's good ice cream. It is good. So yeah, I'm going to leave the vlog here, guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your next visit to Oludeniz.